Meaning of firing squad.
Firing squad.
Firing squad.
Firing squad.
Firing squad. Firing squad refers to a method of execution where a group of people, usually soldiers, simultaneously shoot at a person who is tied to a pole or standing against a wall. The goal is to inflict fatal injuries and cause the person's death quickly. The condemned person is typically given a hood or blindfold to wear, and the number of shooters and their placement may vary depending on the particular method being used. This brutal method of execution has been used in various countries throughout history and is now generally considered cruel and inhumane.